Welcome all to the channel Social Work Education. This channel aims to explain some basic concepts in the field of social work. So, welcome all to this channel. So, today we are going to see what is social work. As we all know, social work is an academic discipline and practice based profession that concerns itself with individuals, families, groups, communities, and society as a whole in an effort to meet basic needs and enhance social functioning, self determination, collective responsibility, and overall well being. So, now let us see some definitions of social work by some professional bodies. Firstly, we can see definition by IFSW, that is International Federation of Social Workers. According to IFSW, social work is a practice-based profession and an academic discipline that promotes social change and development, social cohesion, and the empowerment and liberation of people. Principles of social justice, human rights, collective responsibility, and respect for diversities are central to social work. Underpinned by theories of social work, social sciences, humanities, and indigenous knowledge, social work engages people and structures to address life challenges and enhance well being. So, this is a definition by IFSW. Now, let's see the definition by NASW, that is National Association of Social Workers. So, according to NASW, social work practice consists of the professional application of social work values, principles, and techniques to one or more of the following ends: helping people obtain tangible services, counseling and psychotherapy with individuals, families, and groups, helping communities or groups provide or improve social and health services, and participating in legislative processes. The practice of social work requires knowledge of human development and behavior of social and economic and cultural institutions and the interaction of all these factors. So, this is a definition by National Association of Social Workers. From this, we have learned about social work. What is social work? Social work is a practice based profession and an academic discipline. And also, it focuses on individual problems related to groups, and problems related to communities. Now, let us see the methods in social work. Basically, there are 6 methods in social work, and it is mainly divided into 2 as primary and secondary. So, the first 3 methods is known as primary or direct methods. So, these direct and primary methods, in the sense they are directly applied in the field situation among the people to solve their problems. So, these methods are involved to solve the problems at the grassroots level by the social workers' direct intervention. So, the later 3 are known as secondary or indirect methods, because they are involved indirectly by some specialized agencies or a set of organized people. So, unlike the primary methods, these methods generally operate at the secondary levels but not with the people directly. Now, let us see which are the primary methods. So, the first primary method of social work is social casework. So, it is a primary method of social work, and it deals with the individual problems through one-to-one relationship, which is guided by professional knowledge of the social caseworker. So, under method, the social caseworker attempts to repair the impaired relationship of the client with his social environment, and through a guided interaction, he or she enables the client to adapt with his or her social environment. Through this method, the caseworker discovers different aspects of the client problems, prepares an appropriate treatment plan, and finally, with professional knowledge in social relationship, try to bring about necessary changes in the attitude and behavior of the client in favor of his own growth and development. So, here we can see an individual attention the client will get from the part of social caseworker. So, now we are moving to the second method, that is social group work. Social group work is another primary method of social work. So it is a process in which the individuals in a social group are helped by a professionally qualified social worker who guides their interaction through planned program activities so that they may be able to relate themselves with others and find growth opportunities in accordance with their needs and capacities towards the noble end of individual, group, and community development. In this method, the group worker uses the group as a potential tool for the positive change and personality development of individuals. In group work, individuals in the group are most important, and all the program activities revolve around their needs for development. So, through the group work processes, they are helped to improve their relationship and personality traits, which may help them to develop themselves and their community as a whole. So, we are moving to the third primary method, that is community organization. Community organization as a method of social work is a process through which efforts are directed towards meeting the community needs by organizing human and material resources of the community, identifying problems, finding resources relevant to their needs, and developing and organizing interpersonal and intergroup relationships. Planning and executing effective programs activities are some of the specific activities in community organization method. Organized and collaborative effort of the members of the community for their own development is the main concern of this method. Okay, so these are the three primary methods of social work. First one is social casework. Here to find the solution to individual problems, and the second primary method is social group work to find solution to the problems of a group, and the third one is community organization. Okay, to solve the problems which is related to community. Okay, now we are moving to the secondary methods. There are three secondary methods. First one is social welfare administration. What is social welfare administration? Social welfare administration is one of the secondary methods of social work, and it refers to a process through which social policy is transformed into social service. So, in other words, it is a process to manage the affairs of social work or social welfare, developing programs, mobilizing resources, recruiting and involving suitable personnel, proper organization, coordination, providing skillful leadership, supervision and guidance of staff, budgeting and evaluation are some of the specified activities involved in social welfare administration method. Okay, so the second secondary method is social work research. Social work research is another important method of social work, and it refers to the systematic and critical inquiry of the questions encountered by social work professional in the field of application. So, through this method, efforts are made to find answers to the existing and emerging problems of social work so as to make them use in the practical fields. Social work research, like that of other social sciences, is contributing a lot to the storehouse of its knowledge and helping in the better planning and implementation of social work programs. Now we are moving to the last method of social work, that is social action. Social action method of social work is one that is used to bring about desirable changes in the defective system for ensuring social progress. Through this method, attempts are made to mobilize people to create awareness on existing problems, to organize them and to encourage them to raise their voice against undesirable practices which hampers their development, and finally to create pressure for bringing about suitable legislation for social progress. So this method seeks to relate the community needs with the solution of the problems, mainly through collective initiatives. So today we have seen the different methods of social work. First one is social case work. Second one is social group work. Then we have seen community organization. So these three are the primary methods of social work. So primary or direct methods. Which are the secondary methods of social work? Social welfare administration, social action, and social work research. So these six are the primary and secondary methods of social work. Okay, I hope today's portion is clear to you. Thank you.